Hey guys, what's going on? This is Ben Albright with MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia and Tige Boats. I'm here today to show you the 2019 Tige R21. Start here on the back. You have the transom awareness camera. Goes up to your screen so you can see who's getting in and out of the water for safety reasons. You have a pylon right here that you can use for slalom skiing or tubing, along with another tow hook here. These come up. You can put ropes, dock lines, anything convenient to get to on the back. With also you can put ice. It works as an ice chest as well. Going forward, we've got the 6.2 liter built by Raptor. So for audio systems for 2019, it's still the marine industry leading audio manufacturer made by Wet Sounds. We've got two cans on here, about 8.5. This is also a very easy tower to fold up and down. Just put these two switches here. And folds forward. Port. This boat came equipped with 3 heater ports. These come out here. And all 3 of those, you have 3 down here and 2 up here, so everybody in the boat can stay warm if you're ever out in the wintertime or cold spring morning or after a summer rain, whenever you're soaking wet and the sky's gray. Going forward, you have a built-in ice chest to keep your drinks cold, and you don't have to lug around any external ice chest to bring in the boat. And then you have the traditional bow view up front. The R21 sits about 14 people. Again, my name's Ben Albright. I'm with MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. We'd love to get you out here and go surfing and show you what these boats are made of. So come and see us.